In this section, we will compare the Crucial P3 2TB SSD to other SSDs and HDDs in terms of speed, reliability and durability. The Crucial P3 2TB SSD is a PCIe Gen 3 x4 NVMe M.2 drive that uses Micron's advanced 3D NAND technology. It offers up to 3.5 GB per second of sequential read speed and up to 3 GB per second of sequential write speed, which are 6 times faster than SATA drives and 22 times faster than HDDs. It also has a high endurance rating of 440 TBW, terabytes written, which means it can withstand heavy workloads and frequent data transfers. How does the Crucial P3 2TB SSD compare to other SSDs? Well, let's take a look at some of its competitors. One of them is the Crucial P5 plus 2 TB SSD, which is a PCIe Gen 4 x4 NVMe M.2 drive that also uses Micron's advanced 3D NAND technology. It offers up to 6.6 GB per second of sequential read speed and up to 5 GB per second of sequential write speed, which are almost twice as fast as the Crucial P3 2TB SSD. However, it also has a lower endurance rating of 300 TBW, which means it may wear out faster than the Crucial P3 2TB SSD. Another competitor is the silicon-powered 2 TB NVMe M.2 PCIe Gen 3 x4 SSD, which uses TLC, triple-level cell, NAND technology. It offers up to 3.4 GB per second of sequential read speed and up to 3 GB per second of sequential write speed, which are similar to the Crucial P3 2TB SSD. However, it also has a lower endurance rating of 320 TBW, which means it may not last as long as the Crucial P3 2TB SSD. How does the Crucial P3 2TB SSD compare to HDDs? Well, there is no comparison. HDDs are much slower, less reliable and less durable than SSDs. HDDs use spinning disks and moving heads to store and access data, which makes them prone to mechanical failures and data loss. HDDs also generate more heat and noise than SSDs, which can affect the performance and lifespan of your PC. HDDs typically offer around 200 MB per second of sequential read and write speed, which are more than 10 times slower than the Crucial P3 2TB SSD. HDDs also have a lower endurance rating of around 100 TBW, which means they can store and write much less data than the Crucial P3 2TB SSD. As you can see, the Crucial P3 2TB SSD is a solid choice for upgrading your PC with fast, reliable and durable storage. It can handle large files, documents, photos, videos, games and apps with ease and speed. It can also last longer than most other SSDs and HDDs on the market. The Crucial P3 2TB SSD is compatible with desktops and laptops that accept PCIe NVMe Gen 3 drives. You can easily install it with the help of Crucial's free software tools and support. If you want to boost your PC's performance and save money at the same time, you should definitely consider getting the Crucial P3 2TB SSD today. One of the benefits of upgrading to the Crucial P3 2TB SSD is that it can help you save money by reducing power consumption, noise, and heat generation. Let me explain how. Power consumption is the amount of electricity that a device uses to operate. The lower the power consumption, the less energy you need to pay for and the longer your battery life will be if you use a laptop. The Crucial P3 2TB SSD has a very low power consumption compared to other SSDs. According to Tom's Hardware, it is the most efficient drive they have tested, with an average power consumption of only 1.8 watts during heavy workloads and 0.6 watts at idle. This means that it uses less than half the power of some competing drives, such as the Samsung 970 EVO Plus, which consumes 4.5 watts under load and 1.2 watts at idle. Noise is the unwanted sound that a device produces when it operates. The more noise a device makes, the more annoying and distracting it can be for you and others around you. The Crucial P3 2TB SSD has no moving parts, unlike hard disk drives, HDDs, that have spinning platters and red/write heads. This means that it makes no noise at all, regardless of how much data you transfer or access. You can enjoy a quiet and peaceful environment with the Crucial P3 2TB SSD. Heat generation is the amount of heat that a device releases when it operates. The higher the heat generation, the more cooling you need to prevent overheating and performance degradation. The Crucial P3 2TB SSD has a very low heat generation compared to other SSDs. According to PC Gamer, it has a peak temperature of only 44 degrees Celsius under load and 33 degrees Celsius at idle. This means that it runs much cooler than some competing drives, such as the Crucial P3 Plus, which reaches 60 degrees Celsius under load and 40 degrees Celsius at idle. You can avoid thermal throttling and fan noise with the Crucial P3 2TB SSD. As you can see, the Crucial P3 2TB SSD can help you save money by reducing power consumption, noise, and heat generation. It is an efficient, quiet and cool running drive that offers high capacity and performance at a reasonable price. If you want to learn more about the Crucial P3 2TB SSD or buy one for yourself, check out the link in the description below. One of the best ways to save money and boost performance on your PC is to upgrade your storage device to a solid-state drive, SSD. SSDs are much faster than traditional hard disk drives, HDDs, which means they can improve your boot times, loading times and data transfers significantly. But not all SSDs are created equal. Some SSDs use a different interface and technology that make them even faster than others. In this video, we will show you how the Crucial P3 2TB SSD can boost your performance by enabling faster boot times, loading times and data transfers. The Crucial P3 2TB SSD is a PCIe Gen 3 x4 NVMe M.2 SSD, which means it uses a high-speed interface that connects directly to your motherboard, bypassing the SATA bottleneck that limits most SSDs. The Crucial P3 2TB SSD also uses 3D NAND flash memory, which stacks multiple layers of cells to increase storage density and reliability. The Crucial P3 2TB SSD delivers impressive speeds of up to 3,500 megabytes per second for sequential reads and up to 3,000 megabytes per second for sequential writes, according to the manufacturer's specifications. But what does that mean for your real-world performance? Let's take a look at some examples. First, let's compare the boot times of a PC with an HDD, a SATA SSD and the Crucial P3 2TB SSD. As you can see, the HDD takes about 40 seconds to boot up Windows 10, while the SATA SSD takes about 15 seconds. But the Crucial P3 2TB SSD takes only about 10 seconds, which is 25% faster than the SATA SSD and 75% faster than the HDD. That means you can start using your PC sooner and save time every time you turn it on. Next, let's compare the loading times of some popular games on the same PC with different storage devices. As you can see, the HDD takes about 50 seconds to load GTA 5, while the SATA SSD takes about 25 seconds. But the Crucial P3 2TB SSD takes only about 15 seconds, which is 40% faster than the SATA SSD and 70% faster than the HDD. That means you can get into the game faster and enjoy smoother gameplay without interruptions. The same trend applies to other games, such as Red Dead Redemption 2, Cyberpunk 2077 and Call of Duty, Warzone. Finally, let's compare the data transfer speeds of the same PC with different storage devices. As you can see, the HDD takes about 5 minutes to copy a 10 GB file, while the SATA SSD takes about 40 seconds. But the Crucial P3 2TB SSD takes only about 10 seconds, which is 75% faster than the SATA SSD and 95% faster than the HDD. That means you can move large files around faster and save time on backups, edits and uploads. As you can see, the Crucial P3 2TB SSD can boost your performance by enabling faster boot times, loading times and data transfers. And it does so without breaking the bank. The Crucial P3 2TB SSD costs only $98.99 on Crucial.com, which is a great value for such a high-capacity and high-performance drive. Plus, it comes with a limited 5-year warranty and free software tools for easy installation and management. So if you're looking for a way to save money and boost performance on your PC, consider upgrading to the Crucial P3 2TB SSD. It will make your PC feel like new again and give you more storage space for all your files, photos, videos, apps and games. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and reviews.